Hey, I'm Hannah from Shoestring Science, and this is 60-Second STEM, where we take a mess of materials and try to complete a STEM investigation in 60 seconds or less. Right here, hidden next to me in this bag, I have all of my materials. So I guess I'll pull them out and we can see what we've got to work with. Today, we have, well, this is really weird. I've got two envelopes today. I have one that says to test, and one that says to build. And they both feel kind of heavy, so I know there's something in them. Guess we open them. In my to test envelope, I have an index card, a really neat science pin, a Q-tip, and a coin, like a penny. And in my to build envelope, I have a piece of tin foil, a popsicle stick with some tape on it, a button battery, and an LED, which, let's see. Oh, does work. A working LED. That's good. Okay. So I think that there's something really, really cool with this, and I think I understand why we've got to build and to test. There's something in common with all of these materials that I have in my to test pile. Some of them are conductive, electricity can easily move through them, and some of them are not. And in my to build pile, I know that I can use these materials to build, well, a simple circuit, something that electricity can go through and light my LED up. But if I'm really careful, I can use that tin foil to create kind of two ends of it, so that if I touch them and complete my circuit, my light will go up, on. Or if I put something between them that's conductive, that light should still go on. So with that, I think I'm ready to build. I'm gonna create a really simple conductivity tester. Are you ready? All right, so I have my materials laid out and I am ready to go. I have moved my testing stuff over to the side because I don't think that I can build this and test it within 60 seconds, but I do know that I can hopefully get this circuit built. So I'm going to get 60 seconds up on the clock and 60 seconds up on my clock, and ready, go. Okay, so my very first step is I am going to just rip this tin foil and fold it up so that I can create some legs for my circuit. Now they really don't have to be super pretty, but I'm going to try and make them a little bit nice. And I'm going to get some tape off and figure out which direction my LED works in. Awesome. So LEDs are directional. The electricity really only will work in one direction. I'm just going to tape that one leg onto the LED and get one of my leads down. Oh gosh, stay please. I feel like I need more hands to do this. Oh no! Alright. I've gotten, oh no, one leg down and two legs down, and if it's all going well, it'll light up. So that is my LED circuit in 60 seconds. Now I'm going to add a few more pieces of tape just to make it a little bit more secure, since I am basically holding it together. But I'll finish adding my tape here, and you can see I'm just kind of lightly taping it down. And get my stuff to test. Alright, so it has been a few minutes. I've kind of gotten everything taped together a little bit nicer. You can see that it does light up. So I'm just going to test all the things in my to test bin. When I take my really neat science pin and stick it between, it lights up. It is conductive. When I take the Q-tip and stick it there, no light, so it's not conductive. The coin does light up when it actually touches both, so it is conductive. And that slip of paper does not light up, so it is not conductive. So in 60 seconds, I was able to build this conductivity tester, and then a few more seconds actually test all of the materials that I had. And I noticed that the materials that did light up were metal. I am going to switch my camera angle right now so that we can wrap up. I can chat a little bit more with you about what's going on. All right, so that was ridiculously fun. Inside of those 60 seconds, we were actually able to build a simple conductivity tester, which is actually something I didn't think I would be able to finish. And then we were even able to test it. Of course, this on its own it really is a STEM investigation. It's not an experiment. You might be able to change it into an experiment by maybe making some predictions before you tested objects, or taking something that's not very conductive, like a cup of water, and seeing if you could add something to it, like salt or sugar or lemonade, that would make it more conductive. If you'd like to see a write-up of exactly what we did here, check out the links below. And, as always, if you have an idea for a mess of materials we could use as a future episode, stick it down in the comments below. Until next time.